How are you all? Hope all are doing good, right? In last class, I taught you letter. Which letter did I teach you, children? I and O. आज मैं आपको औ और how to write I'll teach you. Au and Children, before going to write the letter, we'll read once A to ha. Okay? A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, aha. As you all know how to read the letters, right? I'll teach you how to write, children. See, before going for Au and we'll recall the old letters, the other letters which you have learnt in the previous classes. Okay? How? I, E, U, Ri, E, I, O. As children, you have learned how to write all these letters in previous class. After O, the next letter is Au. ये कौन सा लेटर है? ये हम Au कहते हैं. Au. How to write letter Au? See your children. Start from the top line. Okay. Then one sleeping line, two standing lines. One sleeping line. Then you have to write on this line itself, on the last line, how you wrote letter O. For that only one more curve with a slant line. This is letter Au. One more time, start from the top line, touch the bottom line, one sleeping line, खड़ी रेखा और एक खड़ी रेखा, एक शिरो रेखा, उसके साथ एक स्लैंट लाइन और एक गोल और एक स्लैंट लाइन, उसे जोड़कर लिखना पड़ेगा. और एक बार एक बैकवर्ड कर्व, इसे जोड़कर और एक बैकवर्ड कर्व लिख के थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाके एक स्लीपिंग लाइन लगा के और एक खड़ी रेखा और एक शिरो रेखा, उसके साथ एक स्लैंट लाइन से एक घोल लगाना और एक घोल के साथ एक स्लैंट लाइन. सिर्फ एक ही लाइन में, लाइन के ऊपर आना पड़ेगा. ओके, दिस लेटर इज Au. Children, you shouldn't write on this line. See, don't write on this line. If you write on this line, this will be wrong. Some will write like this. If you write like this, here one, this is also wrong. This is not letter Au. You have to write on the correct line. Only on this line you have to write the matras. Okay? We'll call this as matras. Right? This is letter Au. After letter Au, the next letter is Okay? कैसे लिखेंगे? आहा जैसा लिख के एक स्लीपिंग लाइन लगा के स्टैंडिंग लाइन और एक शिरो रेखा, उसके ऊपर, लाइन के ऊपर एक डॉट रखना. ओके? इसे हम कहते हैं. और एक बार तिरछी लगा के थोड़ा सा ऊपर और एक खड़ी रेखा और एक छोटा सा डॉट लगाना. देखिए, how you write A, right? The same thing. If you write A and put one dot on the top of the line, this is called letter Today we have learnt Ow and Ow and Okay children, this one you have to learn how to write. Now I will show you the pictures which are related for these letters. Ow and So from your textbook, this letter is called as Ow in page number 12. Okay, this is letter Ow. Ow say Aurat. Aurat yani women. Okay, Ow say Aurat. Ow say Auzar. Auzar yani tools. Like cutting pliers, screwdriver, all this is called as Auzar. Ow say Aushadhi. Aushadhi yani medicines. When you are not well, you will take the medicines, right? Okay. Ow say Aurat, woman. Ow say Auzar, tools. Ow say Aushadhi yani medicines. Go to the next page. That is letter Which is this letter, children? Say Angur. Angur means grapes. Say Angur. Angur yani grapes. Say Anjeer. Anjeer means it's a fig fruit. Fig fruit. Okay. Say Anda. Anda yani egg. Say Angur, grapes. Say Anjeer. Anjeer yani fig. Say Anda. Anda yani egg. Okay children, you have to learn this orally. I will teach you how to write in the notebook. Okay children, we will start with our Hindi classwork. Okay, this is your Hindi classwork. Write the date 19/8. Okay, now parents, write the topic, heading. Okay, letter Ow. Letter Ow. Ow say Aurat. Aurat yani woman. Then Ow say Auzar. Auzar. Auzar yani tools. Auzar yani tools. Then Ow say Aushadhi. Aushadhi yani medicines. This is Aushadhi. Medicines. Okay. Then in the fourth line, write letter Ow. Write letter Ow. Draw a line. Okay. And start writing. Children, you have to write with your pencil. Okay. Write the Ow in the page. One page full. Okay. 2 times you have to write letter Ow. Write neatly, children. Don't come out of the line. This is letter Ow. With the same date, 19/8, write Aha. Sorry children, this is letter Okay. Same date, Okay. Say Angur. Angur means grapes. Okay. This is grapes. Say Anjeer. Anjeer yani fig. It's a fruit. Then say Anda. Say Anda. Okay children. Say Anda. Anda means egg. This is Anda. So here in the fourth line, write letter Here also Draw a line and start writing letter What is this letter? Okay children, write the page full Okay children, this is letter This is your classwork. Write ow and Okay, next you are going to write in the homework book. This is your homework book. Okay, homework book. Write date 19/8. Then write letter ow. Ow से औरत. औरत यानी women. So here you have to write 4 times. Ow, ow, ow. Don't come out of the line, children. Ow. Draw a line and children start writing with your pencil. This is letter ow. The next page you have to stick the picture. You can either draw or stick the relevant picture of ow. Okay. Then turn the next page with the same date, letter This is letter से अंगूर. What is this? से अंगूर. अंगूर यानी grapes. Any picture you can stick, children. Okay. Draw the lines in between the letter. Here in this page you can write, draw or stick the relevant picture of Okay children, this is your homework book, right? Children, you finish your classwork and homework, right? Today I am going to teach you oral 1 rhymes. Okay, the rhyme name is Rail Gadi. Children, do you know what do you mean by Rail Gadi? What do you mean by Rail Gadi? Yeah, it is called as train. Train, you have seen train, children? I will show you one picture of train. Okay, children, are you seeing this picture? What is this picture, children? This is a picture of train. What does it leave, children? See, top of this. What is this? This is a smoke. Train leaves smoke, right? So what is the color of this engine? It is in black color. Which is this? This is engine. Engine is in black color. Okay. Engine is black color. The other compartments. Okay. All these compartments. Which color it is? Okay, that is in red color. What is the sound of this train, children? Chuk book, chuk book. Okay, that is the sound. So I'll teach you the rhymes of Rail Gadi. Okay. Now, where is that Rail Gadi rhyme? It is in IK2 planner. Okay, this is your planner. That Rail Gadi, it is in page number 12. The rhyme number is 3. This is Rail Gadi. See, children, chuk 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 chuk, Rail Gadi. All this rhymes is here. So I am going to teach you this. See, chuk 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 chuk, Dua chod. See, it is in 3. Okay, number 3. This is Rail Gadi's rhyme. Chuk 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 chuk, Dua chodti, खूब सवारी ले जाती हैं, काला इंजन लाल है डिब्बे, हटो रेलगाड़ी आती है. Once more, चुक 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 चुक, दुआ छोड़ती, खूब सवारी ले जाती है, काला इंजन लाल है डिब्बे, हटो रेलगाड़ी आती है. Okay, now I'll teach you in action the rhymes. Okay, next. What is the sound the train makes, children? Chuk chuk chuk, right? So chuk 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 chuk, रेलगाड़ी दुआ छोड़ती है. Okay, खूब सवारी ले जाती है, काला इंजन लाल है डिब्बे, हटो रेलगाड़ी आती है। once again, चुक 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 दुआ छोड़ती है, खूब सवारी ले जाती है, काला इंजन लाल है डिब्बे, हटो रेलगाड़ी आती है। Okay children, you learn this rhymes. Thank you.